Hey there, RecTech family, Chef Greg here with you. Today we're doing a great recipe using skirt steak. We're gonna grill it up and we're gonna make a stuffed burrito. So to get started, we've got our skirt steak, and there's a lot of fat. You wanna take some of that off, so to make this piece of meat a little more manageable, we're gonna go ahead and cut it in half. And then all the big chunks, just try to cut off. Skirt steak is pretty fatty, but that's what makes it delicious. So you don't wanna get carried away, but if you see just big chunks, go ahead and trim it off. We're going to marinate this today in some lime juice, cilantro, jalapenos, some heifer dust. It's going to be fantastic. All right, for our marinade, super simple. We've got some cilantro, some diced onion and diced jalapeno, some heifer dust, a little bit of olive oil, and the juice of a couple limes. Go ahead and kind of mix it around, and we'll let this marinate in the fridge for no less than 2 hours. But again, you can put this in there the night before, let all those flavors kind of get happy. We'll grill this off on the Bullseye. It's going to make a mean burrito. All right, we've let our skirt steak rest for about 3 to 5 minutes, and you want to be very careful when you're cutting it to cut it against the grain. So you want to orientate yourself with that. When it's raw, again, it's a long, skinny piece of meat. We want to kind of cut against the grain. So we trimmed it shorter, and we cut it. Going to go nice, thin slices against the grain. This is looking crazy juicy, delicious. That jalapeno and onion and lime really flavored up that meat. Perfect. Go ahead and slice up a little more. We'll make 2 smaller burritos. And again, you can make bigger ones. It just depends on the size of the tortillas that you have. I think that's looking good. And always kind of start with a warmer tortilla. It makes rolling it up a little easier. A little bit of rice. Some bell pepper and onion. Some pinto bean. A little bit of cheese. Some of that skirt steak. Now here's the secret to our burritos. We're going to finish these on the Bullseye with a little trick. See, our burrito is nicely toasted. So there you have your stuffed burrito. Skirt steak, Spanish rice, a little grilled onion and pepper. Mmm.